Hey everyone, welcome to Bitwise Smarter. Today I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Power BI Desktop for Windows step by step, nice and easy. Whether you're a student, a data analyst, or just curious about data visualization, Power BI is a fantastic tool. And the best part, the desktop version is completely free. So before we dive in, quick recap. Power BI is a business analytics tool by Microsoft that helps you visualize data, build interactive reports, and make data-driven decisions. If you have ever worked with Excel and thought, I wish this looked cooler, Power BI is probably what you're looking for. First, make sure your PC is ready. You will need at least 4 GB of RAM, 8 GB is better, a few hundred MBs of free disk space, and make sure you know if your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit because you'll need the right installer. To find out what system type you have, go to Search, type System, and this is where you can see your system type. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to the browser of your choice and type in Download Power BI Desktop. Always download from the official Microsoft site to avoid any sketchy downloads. You'll land on a page like this. Pick your language, then choose either 64-bit or 32-bit version depending on your system. In my case, it auto-detected the system to be 64-bit. Go ahead and click Download. Once downloaded, go ahead and open the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions. Next. After installation, Power BI Desktop should open automatically. And just like that, you're in. Congrats, you have successfully installed Power BI Desktop. From here, you can start loading data, building dashboards, or even connecting to services like Excel, SQL Server, and more. Alright folks, that's it for this video. You have now got Power BI installed and ready to explore. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click the bell for more tutorials. Bye!